Check, check, check. Is this thing on? Shout out to everybody here on the live. Thank you for jumping on in. Let's break it down. Let's break it down. Okay. How y'all doing? Let's jump on into the day, shall we? Let's have some fun. Real quick, only about 10, 15 minutes and I'll be out of here. It's the Sunday morning live stream. Check it out. Welcome back to the live. Shout out to everybody here. Appreciate you all. Look at my cool Matrix background. Shout out to Jamie for making that cool background. Pretty cool, right? But that's not what I want to show you. This is what I want to show you. Shout out to everybody here. Appreciate you for jumping on in. So look, AGIX, why? Singularity.net. It is a... What? It's, you know, it works with the Cardano blockchain, and it is... What? Anybody know? Anybody know? It is artificial intelligence. AGI, right? AI there, see? But anyway, we saw it in this tight channel. I saw it getting tighter and tighter in a wedge. This thing would boom to the upside. It is now up 58%. We put it out in my trading group talking about it. Shout out to anyone that may or may not have figured out what's going on with these AI coins. So Bitcoin's flat, but the money is flying in artificial intelligence. That's where the money's going. And I can show you a bunch of different ones. This one's called Matrix AI. Anything with an AI name now jumps on board and you start seeing the move. So MAN USDT Matrix AI. Here's another one. Look at this. Booming to the upside. We had it in this flag here. It would continue, but this thing is moving. You can see anything with an AI name on it is flying. VAI, which actually has AI at the end of it too, right? Which is Viote, which some people might even just think is AI. This thing is booming to the upside as well. Look at this thing up 114%. And we put it out inside of this tight channel. Shout out to my crew. Tight moving averages, the MACD, the RSI, the stochastics, it's all there. I teach this every single Tuesday. Definitely want to jump on into class every Tuesday and get the education. You would love to be there. I know you would. I can't wait to see you. Look at that beautiful man. You can hang out with me. No, but shout out to everybody here. Jump on into class when you can. I can't wait to see you there every single Tuesday from 3 to 5:30. You can learn the science and the sauce. All right. Vi is up huge, banging on them to the upside. EFX is another AI idea here that was put out by David Kendall. If I don't get it, and this thing is up 134%. So you can see this group just continues to pull in the gains. No matter what's happening, it was high coins right last December, right? Now it's the AI coins. Someone said, how do you know where the money's going? How do you know when to find the coins? I said, it's a gift. Like, you just know, like, by doing it over and over and over again. Cat would continue to fly to the upside. Hedgic is moving. ORAI, another one that was tight in the channel. Look at, I had it tight in the channel. Inside of the wedge, this would boom up 67%. ORAI for gains. So you can see anything has anything to do with the AI coins, right? And I got a whole list of the AI list here. All the AI coins. Where's my AI list? I made earlier today. AI coins right there. And if you were in my trading group, I'll share it with you. If you're in my trading group, I'll share it with you. Oh, you thought you were going to see it right away, weren't you? You're like, oh, but that's that special sauce. You get so much love in the trading group, so much different pieces of information. Let's break down Bitcoin, though. As we know, Sunday night into Monday is the worst night to trade, the most volatility. Not the worst, but it's the most volatility. Usually we're going to see a lot of pain in the game, a lot of ups and downs. Anything could happen. Stay focused, get ready. Possible SR flip. Look, support, resistance. We kind of got on top of it. Possible little SR flip right there, just something to think about. The 1 hour does want to make a bit of a move here, but we're going to go look at my Binance chart and my Coinbase chart, the two charts we've been looking at. So look, yesterday we talked about Bitcoin. Said it's likely going sideways or to the downside. I didn't see a big move coming for the bulls, just not yet at least, right? And lo and behold, we were pretty spot on with that. We didn't get a big move for the bulls. We went sideways, right? I drew this flag, said watch the flag, and that's all we could have done was continue to watch the flag. Some could say we're technically staying inside of this upward channel, and that's interesting. Want to make a move here. I wouldn't be surprised if Bitcoin did get a pump just based on the 1 hour time frame. Yesterday we were in the same way. We didn't get the move. Can we get a pump up to 17,125? That is what we're looking for. That's the question. So looking if Bitcoin can get a move. That's it. I would watch this on the 1 hour time frame. I suggest a possible sideways or a move to the upside based on the stochastics RSI. Let's take a look at our 4 hour time frame. It wants to dump on us. All right. However, it's staying above the 200 SMA. And so I keep going over this idea. I'm a bit torn because I love to be bullish when I'm over the 200 SMA. I really do. That's like my thing, And so that's a sign that we could make some bacon on the beach, is my lovely saying. But look, this is a bit of an M pattern, is it not? And it's showing signs of a double-topped M. So it just, I don't know, See, this is an M here too. And we just can't seem to get above this resistance. We can't close a candle above 17,000. We can't get a daily candle to close. We're fighting this point of control. And we have these big nodes waiting for us to fill some orders. Also, when we look at the M lapidations, which am I there? No. Let's look at M lapidations, the AA liquidator. This is giving me signs that, and show me the liquidations. Usually it works like that. Hey! So this is showing me the 100X, the 50X, and the 20X people hanging out on the order books. Over here on the order books. Works good in the 15. Smaller time frame, the better, right? And I just switched time frames, so give it a second to load up again. But it'll flash back. So we're just thicker down here. See this? When you really look at the chunk of change, we have orders on either side, but we're just thicker down here into this zone. We could wick down and really get a lot of people out of the orders and get them liquidated. So, market makers like to move in that way. We can take this on and off whenever we like there now that it's loaded. But so that's also kind of leaning in the direction. So I heed everybody listening that I am short the market because we're not, but I will close my short if we get back above 17.3, and begin to show some signs of support that we can make support here. We did resistance. We did SR flip that area as we just discussed on the other chart, and it's looking somewhat bullish. So can the 1 hour push us to the upside and get us above 17K is the question. If we can do that into tonight, maybe we can create some volatility. There's lack of bearish momentum here. We have falling volume with sideways price, which is a pretty good sign. We could get a reversal. And the stochastics do want to push to the upside. However, the 15-minute already did it, kind of showing signs of just a, sideways behavior. So 15-minute showing sideways behavior for the last few hours, showing that we probably will go sideways for the next, probably into tonight. So I do see Bitcoin going sideways, continuing this way, but there's a chance the 1 hour gives us a move. I love to trade the 1 hour when it's oversold on the stochastic. So, and you got a MACD level there, showing some signs of life, touching the 21-day moving average, and we're right there at a high volume node. Could we bust above this point of control and get a move? So watch the 1 hour, Could open up a trade right here, wait for the 15-minute to come back down again, open up a trade and see what, roll the dice. However, it's Sunday. Lower liquidity in the morning, volatility at night, just kind of one of the worst days to trade. So we're watching the 1 hour. That's the flag I would watch. We're going to come back to this tonight at 8 p.m. and we're going to see what happened to this flag. And we're going to break it down. So just remember, I'll be back tonight at 8 p.m. for Bitcoin in the weekly candle close. And we'll break down exactly what happened to this flag. We'll see what happened. Did we go sideways or to the upside? I've been saying I am bearish because this is a rising wedge. Rising wedges break down 68% of the time. We've been waiting on the breakdown for so long, okay? So this is just something that I've been going over. And we're at resistance. We can't get above. The daily and the 22-hour are both oversold. Now we're going to break down my other chart here on Coinbase just to give you a clear, easier picture of what's going down. So when we look at this here, nice and easy, symmetrical triangle, okay? Take a deep breath. Possible shoulder, head, and shoulder, as I've been saying, or, complex head and shoulder. We do have the somewhat bullish idea is that this could be a cup. That is a handle. And could we move back up to the 200 simple moving average? I've seen that happen before. Also, we are holding above this point of control. If we can stay above it, we're likely to get all the way back to the high volume node right there, right at 19,100. There's a gap here in liquidity. I've said it many times, so if we do it, don't be surprised. It could happen. So I want to see if these small time frames can get us above these local resistances, because if that can happen on the 1 hour, it leads to the fact that even if you just get a bigger move here or something like this, it won't be the huge move. It leads to the fact that this bigger move may actually play out. Symmetrical triangle here has two 50-50 shots, right? 18,800 really, right? Is that it? Yeah, 18,008 and about 14,800, right? So it could go either way, all right? We want to make sure that this trend line holds and that Bitcoin can break to the upside, all right? 21 hour is curving up. That's somewhat of a good sign. So can we go sideways? Can the 4 hour reset? Can the 22 hour reset? This is a bit of a double bottom here. Look what I'm seeing now. Bit of a W that could break you up to the 200 SMA. So I see some bullish signs, but until I get above resistance, I just can't flip bullish. So sorry if I'm giving you some conflicting signals, but I'm just showing you what it is, all right? So symmetrical triangle is 50-50, and until we break above it, it's more likely even if we just get bearishly break down here, back to the bottom trend line, reset the daily, and then we get our move back to the upside. Wouldn't be the worst thing in the world. So that's what I'm watching for Bitcoin. Everybody hold your horses. Stay tuned for more. I'll see you tonight at 8 p.m. May God bless each and every one of you. Shout out to Jamie. Shout out to Emery. Shout out to Gonzo, Flat Smack. Shout out to Sean Linden. Good morning. Thanks for the info. Shout out to everybody that jumps on into my early morning streams. Now, if you were in my Discord, you get an update like this every single morning, Monday morning, Tuesday morning, between 5 and 7:30 in the morning. You get an update just like this. We also throw in S&P futures. We throw in what's happening in the markets, the Fear and Greed Index, and more. So you get such an amazing update into the markets when you wake up. If you're from the West Coast, it's dang near 4 in the morning, and we're giving you the information you need to wake up and win. So shout out to everybody here. Join my Discord if you want these awesome updates every morning. I do them on the weekends just to show you what you would get and to kind of share the love. So everyone, thank you so much for being here. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notification so you can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're also doing the right thing. My name is Crypto Lifer. I teach a class every single Tuesday from 3 to 5:30. If you want to jump on in, it's $99 for 2 hours of your time. It's one day only. You can jump in for $60 if you join my trading group. My trading group is amazing. For $330, get 3 months of the trading group and the class. I can't wait to see you in there today. For 3 months and the class, $330. Jump on in today. It's the best deal you can get in the bear market. Everyone, thank you so much. I love you. And I'll see you tonight at 8 p.m. for Bitcoin and the weekly candle close. Thank you so much for being here. I love you all. God bless.